Replacing your front door is a smart way to boost your Conway home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. But even a seemingly simple door replacement can quickly become a hassle if you're not careful. Whether you're upgrading for style or performance, steering clear of the most common mistakes ensures your investment pays off. Here are the 7 biggest errors homeowners make during door replacement, and how you can avoid them. Choosing the wrong door style for your home. Not every door suits every home. One of the most common pitfalls is choosing a door solely based on appearance without considering the architecture and aesthetics of your property. A sleek modern door might clash with a rustic cottage-style home, just as an ornate door might overwhelm a minimalist exterior. In Conway, where home styles range from classic Southern charm to contemporary builds, your door should complement, not compete with, your home's character. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. Conway's weather can be unpredictable, with hot, humid summers and the occasional cold front in winter. Ignoring energy ratings can lead to higher utility bills and reduced indoor comfort. Doors with poor insulation, no weather stripping, or cheap materials allow drafts to seep in, overworking your HVAC system. Not measuring correctly. One of the most frustrating and costly mistakes is ordering a door that doesn't fit. Even a quarter-inch off can lead to leaks, gaps, or forced modifications. Standard door sizes vary, and older homes in Conway may have non-standard or custom-sized frames. Skipping the permit process. Many homeowners mistakenly assume that door replacement doesn't require a permit. However, in Conway and surrounding areas, permits may be required, especially if you're altering the structure, like widening a frame or adding sidelights. Underestimating the installation complexity. Even the best door can fail if it's poorly installed. DIY installation might seem cost-effective, but it often results in issues like misaligned hinges, air leaks, or faulty security hardware. Unless you have professional carpentry experience, it's best to leave it to the experts. Overlooking door material differences. From wood and fiberglass to steel and aluminum, door materials vary significantly in durability, maintenance, cost, and performance. Many homeowners make the mistake of prioritizing price over long-term value, only to end up with warping wood or rust-prone steel. Neglecting security features. Your entry door is the first line of defense for your home. Choosing a stylish door without checking its security capabilities can leave you vulnerable. Many cheaper doors lack reinforced frames or high-quality locks. Final thoughts. Replacing your door should enhance your home, not cause stress. By planning ahead and avoiding these 7 mistakes, you'll make the process smoother, safer, and more rewarding. Whether you're in downtown Conway or the surrounding suburbs, the right door installed the right way adds beauty, comfort, and protection for years to come.